Hello my friends, the main topic of today's video is how to enable the notification option in WhatsApp. By turning on the security notification feature, you will be able to avoid many potential complications and problems. So first of all, please go to the Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for WhatsApp. I'm just gonna check my phone to see if my WhatsApp application is updated. You should also check, just like I am doing, to make sure your WhatsApp application is fully updated. My WhatsApp is already updated on my mobile device. So now I will directly proceed to open the WhatsApp application. After entering WhatsApp, I will then click on the three dot button, which is also known as the three dot icon. After clicking on the three dot icon, I will click on settings here. After clicking on settings, you'll find the accounts option right here. We'll click on that. Once you've clicked on the accounts option, the very first thing you'll notice is security notification. Upon entering security notification, you'll see the text that says show security notifications on this device. There's some important information written here, so please make sure to read it very carefully.
I am reading the written words.
Get notified when your security code changes for a contact's phone in an end-to-end encrypted chat, especially if you have multiple devices. These settings must be enabled on each device where you want to get notifications. So for this, you will now enable this option. You need to turn on the show security notification feature. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on now. Once this is successfully turned on, my work here will be fully complete. If this particular work has been of even the slightest benefit to anyone watching, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. To ensure you receive more interesting and helpful videos like this one in the future, please definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell icon, and also share it widely. Thank you very much.